Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform chi-square test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on data analysis using JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the use of JAMOVI, chi-square test. So chi-square test is used when we want to find the association, between two nominal variables. So my first nominal variable is marketing. My first nominal variable is marketing, in which we have three categories: social media, TV, and newspaper. And second strategy is decision regarding the purchase decision, in which we have two categories: purchased, not purchased. So now we are interested to know whether we have any significant association between marketing strategy and decision regarding the purchase. Since we have two nominal variables or categorical variables, we can use chi-square test. So what is null hypothesis in this scenario? Null hypothesis says that there is no significant association, between marketing strategy and purchasing decision. An alternative hypothesis says that we have the significant association between marketing and purchasing decision. Now let's understand how to perform it. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of frequencies, and in frequencies here we have the option of independent samples, chi-square test of association. So you click on it. Now this will give you the contingency table. So select marketing, move it to rows box and decision to columns. And in statistics, the default selection is chi-square. So we don't need to change anything. Let's wait for the result. So here we have the contingency table. So what is contingency table? Contingency table shows the rows and columns. So here in rows we have different categories of marketing variable, and column wise we have different categories of decision variable. So this is our contingency table. Now here we have the chi-square test value and p-value. So we can say that p-value is greater than 0.05. Since p-value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject H0. Now if we fail to reject H0, we can conclude that there is no significant association between marketing strategy and decision regarding the purchase of the product. We can conclude that there is no significant association. So that is the idea of chi-square test of association. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.